2026 is going to be the greatest year we've ever seen for crypto. And since I started this channel, I've been giving my year-end predictions. And right now, we're 4 for 4. In the beginning, when I started this during Joe Biden, I called every crash. Even up till last year, I told you if Kamala won, everything would be shit. And if she lost, well, the market would absolutely pump. And it did that, to say the least. And now I'm going to give you my 2026 predictions on where I think the market's going. And let's just say this shit's about to get crazy. If you do enjoy this video, leave a like, subscribe. If you want to see all the plays I'm taking all 2026, then be on the IG. I post every single play there. Without further ado, let's get into this video. So where do I think that we're about to head? Well, let's just go ahead and start off with the obvious. It's going to be an election year. You guys know anything about Trump or how the Republicans work? They always are sitting there talking crazy about the market. Whether that be literally saying, I'm not going to let stocks go down from all-time highs, or literally to buy a stock or a cryptocurrency. They give no fucks. They say what they want. They are hyper aware of what the market is, because in my opinion, at least how I believe they think, is if the market's doing good, they're doing good. If the market's looking bad, well, they're probably going to do bad. And in the court of public opinion, that's pretty much all that matters. I mean, I think that the stock market is one of the single biggest indicators on if a president is doing a good job or not. At least that's what it seems like to them. But with all that said, I don't think that they're going to let the market crash like everybody and their mothers is saying right now. But where could we see some of these crypto projects go? Well, I wanted to kind of run through every single one and tell you what I think. To start off, let's go with Bitcoin. So here's the Bitcoin chart. Right now, we're sitting at $87,000, which is still pretty, insane to say. And this is after a massive dump. Right now, we've dumped about almost 40% from the highs, which is pretty much a massive crash. And usually with a crash like this, it tops out around maybe 50-ish%. So I believe we're within 5 to 10% of the bottom. And for me personally, I believe in 2026, we're going to see $150,000 Bitcoin. So yeah, if you buy right now in the 80,000s, you're going to make a lot of money. But what about Ethereum? Well, I'm unfortunately not really bullish on this coin. It has really done nothing, literally nothing since I started my channel. Quite literally, we're at some of the same prices 4 years ago that we are now, and I'm really not that optimistic about its future. I just think it's really a dinosaur coin, just like Bitcoin is. But Bitcoin's got that #1 title, it's got that big dog, I'm the first. Ethereum's just kind of like its stepbrother that really, doesn't have all the fucking motion. I'm really not that optimistic. I think that we're probably gonna see around $4,000 Ethereum probably sometime in 2026, and that might be it. Maybe we push 5, I don't know, but I'm not really bullish on Ethereum. Now, what about something like XRP? Well, XRP is very unique. Right now, they have the best performing ETF in all of crypto. There's a massive amount of inflows for 30 days straight as the time I'm recording this video. Whales are buying like shit, and it really gives me a lot of 2024 vibes. If you guys were trading with us all the way back then, we were really just kind of chopping all year, and we formed this massive bullish pendant, and we ended up absolutely exploding out of that. And everybody that was following me, especially on the IG, caught that move, and we absolutely ate. It was life-changing. And I feel like we're kind of doing something very similar, at least for the last 6 months, where, price has been stagnant, it's been going down, and we've really been holding and forming a base above $2. And in my opinion, I do believe in 2026, we are going to see a $5 to $10 XRP. Now, I know that might not sound like a lot, but guys, we're literally at $1.90 right now. Like, that is far more that you're going to get on XRP than Bitcoin or Ethereum. And if mass adoption occurs and the Clarity Act and all this other stuff is passed, we could even see further than that. But I am ultra bullish on XRP. Now, what about coins like Solana? Like Solana's a shit coin. We all know this. People trade it with meme coins. If the meme coin ever starts going back up again, if there starts to be, volume in that stuff because it's pretty dead, I think that we could push a $400 or $500 Solana, and I think that's pretty reasonable. But I almost think that XRP is gonna steal their fucking sauce this next cycle, because there is XRP meme coins as well, and I feel like it kind of went from Ethereum meme coins to BNB meme coins to Solana meme coins. The next logical one's XRP, and I'm calling it now. It's gonna happen one day. Okay, is there anything else you should really be paying attention to? Well, that's where I think most people mess up. I think most people in crypto right now are trying to find the next Bitcoin. They're trying to find the next thing to make them rich. But I want to challenge you for a second. You're sitting here and you're trying to make money in crypto. Why don't you think for a second, what's going to make me the most amount of money right now? Is it Bitcoin? Is it Ethereum? Is it XRP? I'd argue that while you're trying to search for the next big thing, it's probably right in front of you. And if you look at the top 10 right now, just think logically, what is the one coin that actually has a tangible product behind it, an actual company, and is trying to solve a real world problem? If you can narrow it down and use your big thinking skills, you're going to come to the conclusion that XRP is the only one. Okay, I talk about it so much. I talk about XRP so much because it just makes sense. If you lock the fuck in and you literally zone in on one coin, and every single paycheck or every single time you're trading, you're constantly chipping away and putting money towards that coin, you are going to set yourself up for major success. But it's the people that are spreading themselves too thin by, setting some for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Loon, whatever it is. Those are the people that are going to miss out on all this money that is coming our way. And that's not just my opinion. That's statistically proven. That's why, all these people that are saying these big price targets, it really just irritates me because these people don't have anybody's best interest in their mind. These people that are talking about a $10,000 XRP, it's not happening anytime soon. So get realistic about your price targets. Think logically on how you yourself can get out of your situation with crypto and how much money you need to make that happen. And if you need help with that, you can go on CoinLedger right now, and it has a profit calculator where you could say, okay, I have $1,000 right now, and I want to turn that into 5. I'm going to buy it at 190, and I'm going to sell this bitch at 5. How much am I going to make? I'm going to make $1,600. Okay, what if it goes to 10? Well, then I'm going to make $4,000, right? And if you have, say, $10,000 instead, you're going to make $42,000. And if you're a big dog and you're constantly making money in crypto and you're setting yourself up, you're going to have $400,000. Like, there's so much money in this space. Just got to grab it. I challenge everybody in 2026 to do something. Lock the fuck in. I believe everybody watching this video can get out of their situation. If you're in a point where you hate your job, you hate your boss, you literally are so dedicated to getting out of your situation and providing a life that you and your family want, I believe that honestly crypto is one of the only ways to do it. Barrier to entry is so low, and if you have conviction and you really believe in what you're doing, I promise you're going to make it. This is coming from someone that's worked online since I was 13 years old back in 2013. I've been doing this for a decade plus, not crypto specifically, but a lot of different things. And I can tell you hands down, bar none, that crypto is the best way to make money. And 2026, we are just getting fucking started. So look, let me know. Are you bullish or bearish for 2026? Where do you think we're going to go? What's your price targets? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see every single play that I'm taking all year long, I'll post them on the IG. Look, if you've been logged in with me, you know exactly what I'm talking about. We go absolutely crazy. And boys, we genuinely are just getting started. I am so fucking optimistic. And if you really think that crypto's over and we're going into a multi-year bear market, oh, you motherfuckers have not lived through Joe Biden. I'll see you guys later. Have a Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. And let's make some money all 2026. I'll see ya.